here we are in our room. We're in 7373 on Voyager of the Seas. Here they have our beds for king size bed, and then storage up here. Pretty good amount of storage. A little safe right here. Keep all of your documents in, your valuables, in case you don't want to take them to the beach. It looks like the storage is pretty good in here. Looks like a refrigerator down here. And then obviously more drawer space here. That's pretty nice. A couple plugs here you can use. Now we brought here's your thermostat over here. We brought a multi plug. That way we can plug in our phones, our batteries for our camera. And then here's the restroom here. And again, the light is on the outside of the restroom. And one thing I didn't point out on the last cruise ship is the height of the showers. They're a little tight, but again, I'm 6'3", and here I am in the shower, and you can see there's plenty of room above my head. So these showers the height is pretty good on these showers, and again, they are a little tight, but they'll work. And then of course we have the sliding doors here, and then right as you walk out of the restroom, you have your storage area here with hangers, life jackets on the bottom. You can pull these levers down here and put a bag up there if you needed to, and then shelves. I like that. This storage area, little closet, looks a lot more roomy than previous ships I've been on. So, but this is the little room we have here for this trip. And there's all the lights on. Should have turned those on first. And I guess the lamps over there, looks like they got a couple buttons on them you can push while you're in bed, a little phone. So here's your room review for Voyager of the Seas. And also, one more thing is a little shelf right there on the top of that mirror as well. So here's your room review. I think next we're going to get ready to sail away, and we're going to find us a good spot and relax and cruise out of the port headed to Cozumel. So you guys stay with us, and we'll see you soon.